for me mamo akwaba shonko back to my GH so Moniaba Musum for na ama obusua enie na ebre aso se training issues ye de ebesum na me ka training issues sabe ya na onim se sabe Ghana ye nia ye wo otwen mu atese ye twen se ye beti Madam Jane Mensah ene atese wo de report ebebe tudwa afa about to nanwada the 7th of December 2020 so aba ewe che se NPPO se NDC na edu nkunim no na tese wode betu da na wo bia atene wo asem na wo hwe the way aban no anas abano collation no kwa percentages no enafako wo be hwe trends no kakrada emu asesa kakra na tese asasa de chined na fakwa na tese ni sacha na ayese abano so bemben toto na no na tese tumaji echetra se hwemu chi adu ko che ye kai pa se che bia enye interview bi ebetu munim no ye ne Apostle Dr. Waters Sakwa Mante awada Faith Army Chapel no edi nkomo bi efa abato no ehum na mo be kai so awodi to just say wiase no wo hu se abato no the ria na elibra ko wo wiase no na te se yakọ run off emu ane sa te se bibi ankoso wo hu afemu ama entakaya amba run off mu na enkaye bebra na ni bia mu no wo hye abana de we ebembe no akwete ye keka eko sa afa no immunity ya sa friend bia se wo mra no mekire mu se se ade de ye gira stand still wo bia hu so wo fa ha na so wo fa ha isi so nkasa ye nti wo mekire mu se ya se sa be ya yeto oka ya chemum ebre abem eti se nyama te sa wo fa tu dam na ye hu na etesa na tim de tim so a wo ma ye nte ye hu ase niti boame ne ye ma Apostle Dr. Walter Sakwa Mante yama na kwa bashoko na ofa enchiremu wo bia no emre Apostle.
Hello.
Yeah, Apostle, we can hear you.
Hello, sir. Lani clear and I break kakra.
O line mo eda ho kama mete unkapa.
Okay, all right.
Okay, now Apostle. Already ye chia upa. Apostle. Okay, Apostle bibia boko ewo wafa.
Machosi.
Bibia boko ewo wafa na.
Nyamia dom bibia boko bibia very fine. Bibia very fine. Radia dom ti.
The radia si. Na Apostle we dey fa ye remu huhum wi ase sesi Ghana ye wo twem huma ye twen se easy ebe trend ye eko nanso ni niemu no figures aba abonte no trese out of 275 constituencies no yetimi akoleti ye media for ya wo metimi akoleti 273 na sa 273 no emu no votes are NPP etimi agada for presidential 6,646,256 representing 51.3%. And John Dramani Mahama, your former president, won also with me agada a vote of 6,098,593 and also 47.1% at bembempa the same millions more and ejina so thousands more na edifa kakra ne niamu no we provisional media houses be but other media houses so che adwefo at abano abembempa na no ya se den na eka ewo ho
Jamaica the argument say ya to me to aba because ukai that the Indian na bomb a day before no ya call Richard me as a form paying for Reverend Dr. Ampia Kofi, Dr. Lawrence Tete, Bishop Ajina Sari, Reverend Sam Kanti bomb for peace indeed me kase the radius say me adom at least so far you have pocket of challenges other places, but so far election I very peaceful. Now kase the finality of the easy debate out.
Okay.
But ushe elections no. But ushe critically very close.
Very close.
Because you know me. Saying declaration prophetic act very young time. But ushe parliament in this one. Ushe very close. Especially on the part of NPP now. Everybody was thinking it's just a walkover. But yes, I Rems can say Rems.
Yeah,
senior air corner dear. Aye,
Apostle.
Okay. In the spiritual realm, next year. Wow, and
hey, Apostle.
Next year,
Apostle, where they say Sisubiem na yentimiti unkaye. Okay.
Next year. Once I didn't push so they don't know. I don't know whether they don't understand how the realm operates. But there have been prophets and next year. And in the spiritual realm, there was a push set election about next year. A few problems. But next year, I didn't spiritual in the spiritual.
Pushing next year.
And it's a call because the call run off. But Michelle on the spiritual realm. It's the direction I'm in. And the memo said, MPP but still, breakthrough, so breaking through, breakthrough. I had drink but we track with the spiritual MPP lead Mukakrebi. It's in the league. But except be careful, system very volatile. We want to hear what is happening. You know. But spiritually, and people were named. So make sure there, because these things wouldn't have happened initially from the beginning, because a lot of prophecies by saying we're winning, but Rems society, and those that know the president, you know, and if the NDC also have their pastors, you know, this one, it is your ability to pray and believe God. Now necessarily not be fine. But Jenny is still close. So what happens at Jenny close?
Very close, yeah. Our close range is
because you're afraid 275 what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, afraid 275 now. And a lot of stations so I am more dear we said GH1 now. I'm on their body to a time, but we share other stations in Kanjoy. Yeah, now the NPP were named Kakara. But EC should bring the final confirmation saying there of Freya we have a concept this is free and fair. And on the end trust will bomb time.
Now okay, now Apostle me to see here.
Next year then
okay.
Push it over.
Meet you pa.
Next year then push it over. And then I can found myself.
Okay. Now Apostle me to see here. And the working yan say one more two parties no both NBC and NPP one more equal chances say one bet me afa enti one more mia one mini one pie bomu na the obetimi abom pa ye no and obetimi afasa na woka.
Yes, because my main concept I think it's still open. Also, I hear politics and so yeah, can't say man. We use a lot of wisdom.
Okay.
I mean, you would I can't say ABR and what's a third party, but yeah, I have to use wisdom.
Okay.
But I know for a fact what is happening. I can't answer all the questions. In a certain way. Because I want also peace. They use wisdom.
Okay.
But they can't say we election there. They say about by. Say on so because I didn't stay close. Just as MPP are called lead Kakara, but it's still close. Okay. The name said Ometia Sema, and then that is for them to do what they make sense.
Matthew was
saying another election 2021.
Now just say Echo Bemben San Echo run of dia 2021 and San Yobeti the OD or minor ESO from 2021 to 2024 now.
Yeah, because we said 2020 no never be real how. This year 2020 on set a suffer be and the air cost was 2020. 2020 is a difficult year. Said yeah, I have programming never be in Paboka it's a former president now they are doing. And this year easy.
Yeah.
Because because of the year no. In year, it's a bomb by pastors and say, if you are Miko, if I don't cost any bear, we don't have any situation. GT Pass said, God will bring Ghana through peacefully. We'll have a free and fair elections.
Okay.
But understanding the cultural spiritual realms, they are very important. Bible says, Matthew 26:41, watch and pray. Watch and watch, and physical watch. A spiritual watch as well. I don't know, frontier say, you know.
Okay.
Unless you're in the spirit.
Okay, Apostle, what do you mean come? Apostle. Okay. Your viewers know the door about. I say one more questions. I won't be so one more MB. Some we are very interested. Now one critical one. I actually nipa every. Teflon Don. The only day what they about say. Is it true that JJ Rawlings' death will push NDC to win? Will be said who we are saying no. Bibi wo ha bet me apia ama JJ wo na ba mfa so ma NDC. Okay.
Let me answer una break it.
Okay, let me take it here.
Me too.
Tell what to me clearly now.
Okay, better.
Okay, Apostle. Me just say your viewers know. Bako a very deep question be about a person who has situated. Well, besides say Teflon Don, or say is it true that JJ Rawlings' death will push NDC to win? Or person who say JJ Rawlings people whom we have to debate me appear the NDC in a way be a bit me appear on vote come out or me about abedi anima now.
Me line break it okay, me back. I'm sure idea what me try.
Okay.
But okay, sir.
Well, one of your viewers are one more share and what the Apostle. One of your viewers are one more share and a Teflon Don what a very trickish question be about what the person who say Sanetia whom we are I was saying. Is it true that JJ Rawlings' death will push NDC to win? JJ Rawlings be who are no a bit to so be our election results in my bet me appear NDC for ama womo ewiniana in the realms of the spirit.
Will I be break you? I can hardly hear meaning the my I thought it was the earphone, my but I didn't back clear. Okay. I don't know whether the engineers between your brother.
Okay, engineers know. Yeah, me too, Kapa. Engineers know Juma also. They are working hard on it. And you bedding come Monaco. What time is this year? What time is this
year? Oh, Casas is a meteor. I say breaking this.
Okay. Engineer, to the is it clearer now?
Okay, so Kasabi, I'm sorry, we are sorry for the inconvenience.
No problem. Okay. Now, maybe say one of your viewers no the question be about what bisa say is it true JJ Rawlings death will push NDC to win? Or so we say JJ we whom we are say bet me more chances be akosoro ama win akoma fana.
Is there any possibility say something will push JDM to win? Is that what it is?
Yes, in terms of Rawlings death, no, bet me contribute spiritually, push more because Osha 2012, John Evans Atamos ewu yeno and your Kikako elections and chair and at the say Bobo Abano Wotimi FIA JM FIA so Enna 2020 so no former president and also a leader of the NDC with me with these two deaths no so to me again power and a bit me influence the chances of winning to see I say.
Okay, so if I understand you, I'm still struggling a bit, but if I understand you, you want to find out that if there's any way anything can push JDM to win.
Yes.
Is that the right? Am I?
It's in the right direction, but I want you to add the fact that will JJ Rawlings' death contribute to that win?
Okay, JJ Rawlings' death contribute. Oh no, say I make out the other time. In my opinion, I say Ghana to say the factor that will win election is God, the God factor.
The God factor.
What I say here.
Okay.
The God factor, yeah. Sometimes I don't follow some of the things. The only elections are there are a lot of reasons are only what I say.
Okay.
And to make a change, waiting with, for instance, we have president now. Ebia, why Bibia at already and you didn't deal with it. You can't lose the election. And I'm your opposition leader. And you do something wrong. It's grievous. You can't lose the election.
Okay.
Go to the mechanism. Ghana is for God. It's for God. Ghana your bomb. And to rituals some of those things. Absence of Rawlings and India, they won't really come into play. People were thinking, say, yeah, some sympathy votes, be an answer, maybe India is part of it, but all those things work. Answer not spiritual, I see that.
Okay.
Go to the mechanism.
Okay.
And I see that. I think JJ Rawlings has not too much to do with the elections this year. I mean, for me, if we are going to have sympathy votes, then it will probably go for the NDC because that's their founder. But don't also forget, now Rawlings, not even Nado, you're very close.
Yeah.
And so that thing also to some extent demystify what I said. The JJ Rawlings factor, toning down because of a relationship. Between Nanado and then also NDC, what I said. And don't forget Nana Kudedu too has his own party, NDP. So I toned it down on the sympathy votes, Kakra, because at almost time there was no technicalities like this, right? Now the technicalities not those. Nyame never see him. All said,
okay.
God gives us, it is God given.
Okay.
Because Ghana territory and Pabo territory.
Okay.
And I didn't hear close. For beginning of the year,
okay.
18 the year, cancer. Now it was hands down for MPP, but they are not close. One thing you said, and I do here quickly, and he said to get more favor. He said, COVID-19 passes now. COVID-19 no. Also, I release your move.
Yes, sentence you to 4 years imprisonment.
Pass
yes.
Pass no more yet. They say every region more. Sign your money now. The more vice president spiritual no. I'm more share communicate you. I'm not I say. Minti I say. The name of the so ye sign for of course. Bible principles or no. Uchi man of God to man. That's no man anointed. Very important. Hope didn't make sense.
Okay, even if they go against the law guarding the country, and you will quite say the president.
Everybody has gone against it. Everybody is true, but everybody has gone against the law. Let's kill everybody there.
Okay.
The political parties have also gone against the law. Anamigwa.
Yes.
Say rallies now they are there. We didn't. You understand? So there should be a sense of. We know the person has broken the law.
The person has broken the law.
We can give some. You punish him.
Can give some
amnesty.
Can give him some.
You stamp your authority.
You've stamped your
It's
authority.
brought some sanity.
It's brought some sanity.
Okay. Then to all advice say, and the president go to and more no we release pastors now or jelly or more during the coronavirus era now. A bit me up work and they gain favor. Obey gain favor in the presence of God. Okay.
Sanya manesa is your watch. Well, we are sana na appear heavy number. I mean, can't send child.
Meet you.
I can't send child.
All right.
It is yes, sana. It is easy. And be fine. What I say?
Okay.
Who just sana? A good tell. And easy sao. Until we have to see the 275 constituency.
Okay.
In the spiritual realm,
no.
And easy, sir. Okay. And I can earlier on, there's another but the roundoff, yeah, and easy, sir. And I say a bomb pie, the aftermath of this election. Now, the media people should be very circumspect in bringing out figures. Let's leave everything for the easy.
Okay.
After all, figures never know. These stations never agree. Say, we agree. Say, the FPP will agree. The NDC will agree. So when they check out the figures, nobody has anything to bring peace. And one no.
Okay. Now, on both sides, ebi astate jubilate. Ebi so yafa like with all that is going on now with the picture you are giving us from the spiritual realm, not to say and that form sir and easy be sir. Why should the EC still be delaying? And think on promptly and on time basis say okay now this is what we have, okay, that's what's going on, but we are just in waiting. To say even after all the jubilation so now will be a trying say she will come out and give out the message. What's the cause of the delay right now?
You are asking for the cause of delay, right?
Yes.
Yeah, delay no. So according to EC because of the two regions now among county but what I'm seeing usually there's a problem with the ballot.
There's a problem with the ballot
on how to manage it. But if it will mean say all the region because to Kai at that where the thing is not, we are not sure about it, we go back to vote. And the areas that have problems, voting, go voting. There were problems that are cheaper because we say ballot being she now there just in case problem we also now. There's nothing wrong if you go back and go and vote again. Those areas.
Okay.
Voting.
From where you stand, you see that there's a problem with the ballot. I don't know if I see this delay because for me, that was around 12:30 something.
There are problems.
Okay.
There are reconciliation. The problem and unreconciled, but also they are dealing with figures. If they are figures, we shall project it. The two regions not also.
Okay.
Now, we have done almost most of them. We've done about there are about 15 more to go. Most of the cases certified. It's maybe 15 or more. About 15 to 20 more.
15 to 20 more.
To go.
To go.
Certified. They are released about 7.
About 7 or so.
It is certified now. I know on the website said this is what the case is all about. So we have to leave everything for the EC. And because of the fact that the parties have representatives at EC, there wouldn't be any cause for alarm. Because you agree with their headquarters before you append their signature. I don't think it will be a problem.
Okay, now.
Easy. I quite close. Because also NDC claiming you have majority in parliament.
Yes.
And NDP is also claiming there's a counter claim also. I didn't know close. I close in reality, I close in and come back,
Okay.
In reality, I'm telling you.
Okay.
A lot of other things have also happened.
All right. Apostle. Hello. Apostle, as we are still waiting on EC, or the message, after the declaration, how is it going to be? Is this silence that we are in now going to continue on at a little bit of jubilation? Now we having our normal life back, and I said the declaration will spark another thing.
Line breaking a crowd.
Okay, I want to know. You can see who say, how does it look in the spiritual realm, the aftermath of a year declaration? Or say, is it me bontain now or to be gathered in the facts? Then the information you are not certifying the documents, no about bontain, but clear say okay, NPP Ewini and I say NDC Ewini. How is the aftermath going to be like? And I said, Ghana for no, the acceptance of the declaration, would it cause any chaos? And I said, would the peace we have now, and I said, the quietness that's in the atmosphere, ever continue, sir?
On him clearly, the aftermath of the elections, to be very frank with you, will not pose any problem. Because we have a culture, so we have leadership. There's a council there, setting up EC office, including former President Archbishop Duncan Williams and the Shraj boss. Now they are there. We had a lot of people like that. So when it comes to things like that, these are opinion leaders. They have influence on us.
Okay.
Even if you become president, on Busankrofona, it will go against you because they have numbers on them. The pastors have numbers.
Yes.
There are some men, the archbishops, he has a numbers. He has a pastor. So Okasana Untia is going to go against you. So the aftermath, I think we have set up a good system. I will applaud Nando for setting up that. I don't know whether the EC for setting up that committee to be able to make sure that they will come in just in case we have an issue. So I don't foresee any problem aftermath. But advice only said everybody should, whatever the case, people should accept the elections. You understand? People should accept the elections. The way it is, we are not going to have a situation, afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And the mechanism, people should not stop praying. We should stay praying for the peace of the nation. About 2 years and Santa Cry starting. You understand what I'm saying?
Now, as a result, Apostle Metonka. I did 12 years home, yes, I didn't physically know so many so many issues coming up. See, spiritually, I didn't think that declaration in March. So after EC, I promised after 24 hours they will gather up fast. Now was about 12 o'clock. Our machibeka simple for now. Now that we are talking, all to be make a full front chain. Abani atomi are physically to your 12 years. And then you
oh, line over here, until it over to me summarize in 2-3 words. But I mean, he said the entire line cut it, but we are managing it. So over to me, I'm a question in you, ma'am. I'm a question.
Okay, Apostle. Now we can say about no ya 12 years we are said data. Now physically so Nyame adom 7 December a chum cry 2 be pepe 5 p.m. will be any dear. I just say 1 moment to be cramp mat home dear cry be. Now from a year 24 hours now easy a share did you be my another day. I just say they say I take up 48 hours move. I still na just say yet me enter to son and say wait dear. Ya told me oh I don't physically ya told me na yet me to son no be any soon be.
Wow. I don't know why we are having challenges with the line. It's a beautiful interview we are having, but I don't know why. I mean, if the engineers can come in, because sometimes between I feel a good time they are not lying. I
can't okay. Okay, now say I Clara.
Mami, sister, in location, kaka.
All right.
Okay, meet here.
Clara now.
It's better.
Yes, good. Thank God. Now, Apostle, Bimuk, can say, Prophet Nigel Gacy, free, yes, 7 December, our matching, ABC, year 8 December. Why, live videos, I would draw at a walker. Still, I see that the NDC has won one touch. Vigilance, comfort so cause fear and panic. I said they are inciting chaos. Yeah, or my who agree with the masses on this?
And all can Prophet Nigeria.
Yeah, Prophet Nigeria. They call what's it for now? No, after the vote, no, most of the prophets are called silent on the results. No, but after. He is the only one coming out, and we know that he's for the NDC. Now, about Bontina Oka, and it's still in our favor. Yes, I see angels. Okay.
My question I say, and since Obisa said, is it the right thing to do?
Yeah. Is it not inciting fear and panic? And I say chaos even in Ghana. I don't know why.
Matthias here. Now, this is what is happening. The only thing you have to do to allow the prophecy according to scripture, it be a direction, be an ascent power, but the rest is not for you to do.
Okay.
As a prophet, that is what it is. The prophets are not any politicians. As a prophet, you are a man of God, you are higher than politician.
Yeah.
Maybe why my job, I could have been. I'm so qualified to be like probably a board chairman of a company or CEO of a company. But I said, so I'm not the same as a politician. I'm a man of God.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we don't reduce the prophetic office to politics. And no side it's very disgraceful.
It only so reduce the office of prophecy. Okay.
Yeah, I cannot need the politicians. What is vigilance about it? What is the can say?
Yeah.
Ocean come here, yeah. But home pie, they ready, but it is not for you to do. To be vigilant. Unless ready catch this on camp. And you are different. But normally, it is not done.
It is not
done.
Okay.
So you already catching the it's different. And nobody to me a direction. Said, I don't know whether you're doing it as a direction. And I said, I don't want to go to that space. But it's not done. So my prophecy, they be about vigilance. Go. This one is no. Yeah,
okay. Yeah, Matilda, what can I say? Apostle, your comment section on I traffic is you up and for chill my dream pa. Now, one or two of them, not to say. Yeah, try commando eso. If you are Dorothy or Daniel Miracle said too much GH Teflon door. See we move. Michael okay, Daniel Miracle Ababie say Nana all the way. Bernard Spencer or say Mahama win long time. Fingers crossed 100%. Okay. Deborah Kweku Dixon or see good. Daniel Miracle asa Ababie at Bernard in your dreams or ye Bernard are no watching live from Spain, Daniel Mekuna. Nanwa Dana will share live from UK. Who transfer pound? Kofi cry or say Nana win long time. Abdul Wahab or say God will make a way. Prince Dika or say Mahama has won. Okay. Yati say yeah, editors no any engineer say show second comment no yatipa. Eric Atokwem or say NDC is relying on so-called prophets. The whole of the people will prevail. Agnes Bonzi so EDB Abba say, is he a prophet? Nana has won, nothing will change. Forget them. So Eddie Abba say NDC and Mahama are doing spiritual workings to win. Agnes Bonzi Abba say, Apostle Nana has won both spiritual and physical. Tell Mahama he should have set period, which ran off again. Isaac Opoku Mensa say Mahama can never be president again. Stephen now also EDB Abba say NDC is moving this year. Agnes Bonzi Wababiem or say God has chosen. We the believers know that God has chosen Nana Addo both spiritually and physically. And Kama Bright so EDB Abba say it will surprise everyone. John Mahama will win. Rosemary Frimpong to say JM all the way. Adakwa Cosmos as to say JM Afa already. JM Afa already, but the NPP are trying to rape. Apostle.
Yeah, hello, me too.
Yeah, Apostle. Now follow comments no.
Me follow comments so far. Said, people are expressing their opinions, which is very good.
Because
a sense of.
Ebi so we believers pa almost almost dynamity oba bompire pa we say adena e clear na da fa dada both spiritually and physically. Enti mama na amanfo e say omuntu no for say baby edri die wa wo hwemu a wo de ye call keke na friend na obi ante wase almost a believer or apostle na some ka na wo musa.
Okay, so what you are saying is people are saying that spiritually and physically.
Also a believer, abompire man yankopon enene na kasa say both spiritually and physically. Apostle or body crowd can was saying na afa dada into both spiritually and physically no the way we no so edeba enunti the hear say empirifo no mo be catch there John Dramani Mahama say one tiase na sabre won't forget the corner round of no there cancelled in the name of Jesus or believer be and ordinary dey aba
line kakana big question line I very funny but if I understand you are saying sir not just spiritually and physically and that Mama should hold on. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the other side of it also is that they also believe they have their figures. The only thing is that I would have loved that they also bring their figures. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
And other parties will bring their figures. But when you do all this figure thing, let's wait for EC. Let's pray. God will give us a president.
Okay.
Also, at the beginning of the culture says, I'm careful in saying some things in public.
Yeah.
And to some of the interviews, I'm careful, and because of the timing, the volatility of the situation, I I'll choose my words very.
Okay, not me to see ya some more pan and so bejomuntina won't pay munkai.
And yes, time in
Aye, and then some more.
Some more time and said be careful.
Okay, now a negative and a positive. Apostle, a negative and a positive because they say the anticipation and the suspense I was so bad. They say no detail be I see whom ye. Suspense. Okay.
Now igniting passion now because temperature now cause so power changing for 40 degrees Celsius now they are there.
no cry no there. You see how
and but what I would like to say is that people should be calm now. It's and fair because there won't be any conflict. They certify it follow system according to constitution. They say follow procedures.
Okay.
Yeah, follow procedures, and then from there we can choose the presidency. But right. I mean, we've done everything, or whatever we have to do, we've done it. You know, we've done what we have to do, and if the political parties listen very well, they would have been able to break through.
Okay.
If you are NPP for more year the year, and if you are fine.
Okay, Apostle. Finally, Apostle. Finally, yes, sorry. So now, dear, now we'll catch Ghana for in this time of waiting. And Cranchester Bank, final West Bay, and I will mark Ghana for.
Oh, Ghana for the two about. Yeah, the Bible said that always under God's ways.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, Yami ways never prevail with Ghana. It's just like saying, let your will be done on earth. And we should bring it back to our election.
Okay.
There'll be peace. Okay. Right. Whoever loses, the person will still have whatever it is. I mean, can't maybe shall come be. Mama is going to come back, but I'm not too sure now. I didn't say come now.
Okay.
And I make council say we'll take the lead. From time ago. OTS. And come back will be another time or today. And everybody should calm down. I want to say something to calm down.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
The will of God prevail.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't like Ronaldo because of something. You don't like Mama because of something. God uses a lot of things to correct things. If you are Ronaldo or certain time, Noah, if you see Myanmar, they are correcting Myanmar because what he has gone through this election, corrections be very better. So whichever way you look at it, whether NDC or NPP, yeah, calm it down and let the will of God prevail because passions have really gone very high.
Okay.
So what the party should pray more is for peace. What you say? Pastor should pray more.
For peace.
And I mean, can say everything I can tell you directly.
Okay.
But if somebody wants, anybody who wants to find it is different, because now their passions are called high. All I have to do is calm nerves down. For beyond calming nerves, God will give us a president. Whether the president you vote for or the person you didn't vote for, God will give us a president. Okay? There's no need to fight. There's no war. And YC cannot go wrong because the political parties have the representatives.
Okay. Apostle, Ebeda was in Yakupo Shaw said, Nenso, buy and Sabay, now wish Ghana for with your message. God really bless you.
God bless you too. Thank you very much.
Okay, now Ebisia for Apostle Dr. Walter Sakwamante Awada Faith Army Chapel and I don't know at the trade and come on whom yase come here about our fiscal realms or Ghana the idea whom yase be because for ninety and your told sir at the friends woman church the more say whom yaso so no send a whom quietness was as soon as one my dear to say Nama Ekoso ewo na ni yemu no wasa hye crime nti yemfa ne nsem no ewa supemu na de ye nyo twen wom ye twen say easy awo no ewo the final say in this case no offer there and sema wo no emeto about ni bia yetimi ehu the next step for our nation Ghana na nti me de be see ha na ede no first time Womshe Tuma GH and Wabamodia as subscribe. Now if you know what follow your Instagram and your Twitter account at Tuma GH _ Facebook also a Too Much GH meeting Edna Ama Ubuswa. Na me aduma you say dey sharp background.
Too Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching too much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching